Angry residents in Kirinyaga, Kenya, have taken matters into their own hands by setting ablaze a local bar where 6 people tragically lost their lives, with 5 others experiencing temporary blindness after consuming illicit liquor. The incident occurred in Kangai village, located in the Mwea West sub-county. The community's fury has been fueled by the revelation that previous attempts to close down the establishment were thwarted by legal measures, raising questions about the effectiveness of the regulatory system. The ill-fated incident unfolded as 5 individuals succumbed to the effects of the illicit brew within the confines of their homes, while the 6th victim passed away at Kerugoya Referral Hospital. The symptoms displayed by the victims, including blurred vision, were consistent with those observed in previous cases of ethanol consumption, highlighting the dangerous nature of the illicit alcohol. Compounding the outrage among Kirinyaga residents is the revelation that an earlier attempt to shutter the implicated bar was unsuccessful. The suspect managed to secure a court order preventing the government from closing down the establishment. This legal impediment has ignited public frustration, raising concerns about the adequacy of existing legal mechanisms in addressing the sale and distribution of harmful substances. In response to the alarming situation, reports indicate that individuals who suffered from temporary blindness were administered an antidote for ethanol poisoning. The antidote successfully restored their vision, underscoring the severity of the toxic substances present in the illicit liquor circulating within the community. In the aftermath of this tragic incident, Kirinyaga residents are vehemently demanding swift and decisive action from the government. Their primary concern is the urgent need to eradicate illicit alcohol from the area to prevent further harm to community members. The incident has exposed a critical gap in the regulatory framework, prompting calls for a comprehensive review of existing laws and enforcement mechanisms. The burning of the bar in Kirinyaga stands as a stark symbol of the community's frustration and anger in the face of a preventable tragedy. The inability to close down the establishment earlier has ignited a broader discourse on the need for stronger regulatory measures to curb the production and distribution of illicit substances. As the community mourns the loss of lives and grapples with the aftermath, the incident serves as a poignant reminder of the urgent need for proactive government intervention to protect citizens from the dangers of illicit alcohol. This is a developing story. Continue following the Kenya News Channel to get more updates on this story.